Hi everyone, this is Alom from NetLab. Now we are solving another important Rhcsa exam task. So this is the question number 18. This is the question number 18, and the question says create a swap partition of 512 MB, 512 MB, and make sure it mounted permanently, so that it remaining active even after the system reboot. And these disks are also mentioned here. These disks are also mentioned here. This is the disk. Create this partition. So let's start. First, I am in terminal of main machine and SSH to the VM root @ node 2, given password of node 2 machine, and logging here to now in node 2 machine. So first check available disks or existing partition for this disk. Here is the disk name, so I'm copy the name of the disk and command like fdisk given here, so p for print, and here is the two partition of this disk, one extended partition and one also created LVM partition. Now I'm created a swap partition on this disk, so create a new swap partition, command like n for new partition, and first sector hit enter, and given the partition size 512 M. I do want to remove this signature, yes, and print another time, and this is the partition actually. Now I'm change the partition type, needed to change partition type, so hit T for change partition type. This is the partition SD6, so given this 6, oh no, here okay, given the 6, and hit L, and here is the swap for 82. I'm given 82 here, hit enter and print another time, and this is the swap partition of 512 MB. So that's it for this work. I'm just write here W to write. Now it's write this DX for swap partition. Now format is as a swap partition, so command like make swap and dev st v sda6, okay, and now it's made a swap partition formatted. Now active this partition, so swap on, given this link again, and now verify swap free -am. Here is the swap partition actually, and this partition, there is the two partition actually. Now free swap on show, here is the 512 and this is the existing partition, so both editing, this is the swap partition in one format, one total 15C here. So the swap partition actually formatted and created. Now this partition make permanent, so command like vim etc fs tab to next line, paste, write swap, format swap, and default 00, and WQ for write and quiet. Now reboot this system and now wait after boot of machine. Now the machine is boot off. Now I'm logging again. Here is the node to server. Now I'm check again free and this is the swap and it created successfully. That's how you create and permanently configure a swap partition in your tasks Rhcsa exam. Practice these tasks multiple times before your exam. Thank you for watching my video.